Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 50,000 free Microsoft reward points. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So if you just scroll up into, you can see all these different gift cards, but go to Chrome Web Store on a new tab and then press the first link which you'll see at the top. When you press that, you'll get redirected to this, and just press Bing Automator and then Bing Automate, and then you just want to press enter, and then the top one, automate your Bing searches. You're going to want and press that. Press add to Chrome, and then at the top it will show this press add extension. It will download it, and then you'll see at the top right hand corner, press the puzzle. Press pin, so you want to see it at the top, and you're going to want to go back to the tab, so just press I accept, and then you can see this, but just go to the top left, go back to the thing, and then scroll up, press points breakdown, press PC search, and then when you are here you want to press on the extension, press on like this, and then change the number of searches to how much of you want to change this, so lower like 0.5 and the maximum are around 1.5, and then just press close tab once completed, and then you're going to want to make the number of searches mobile, searches around like 5 let's say, and the number of other searches of 25 or something like that. But yeah, just change that to like 25, and then at the bottom press close tab once completed, and then press start search when you can see at the bottom one. So press start search, and as you can see it's going to start searches, and then boom, you can do that. And then as you can see, you can also make it do your activities, and yeah, press start activities here, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.